Hello my sweet friends. Today I'm going to share my secrets for a chocolate lava cake that's so perfect it will make your heart melt, just like the center. First things first, let's get our ingredients. You'll need 100 grams of dark chocolate, 100 grams of butter, 2 eggs, 2 egg yolks, 60 grams of sugar, and 40 grams of flour. The magic starts with chocolate, of course. Melt your chocolate and butter together. Go slowly over low heat, or you can use the microwave if you're in a hurry. Stir it until it's shiny and smooth. Next, in another bowl, whisk your eggs, egg yolks, and sugar until it looks light yellow and a little fluffy. Pour in your melted chocolate and gently mix in the flour. Don't mix it too much or your cake won't be happy, trust me on this one. Put a good amount of butter in your little baking cups and then sprinkle them with cocoa powder so the cakes don't stick. Pour your batter in, filling them up about 3/4 of the way. Now for the magic part, bake them at 220 degrees Celsius, that's 425 Fahrenheit, for exactly 10 minutes. Not 1 second more, you want those centers to be all gooey and wonderful. Take them out and let them sit for just a minute. Then, carefully run a knife around the edge, flip it onto a plate and there you have it. A perfect melty masterpiece. Sprinkle with some powdered sugar, maybe add a few berries and serve it right away. The look on your friends' faces when that chocolate lava starts to flow, oh, it's the best. Thanks for joining me and baking along. If your kitchen smells like heaven right now, you did a great job. Soft chuckle. Merci for watching, and welcome to Global Family Cookbook. If you haven't already, please subscribe. We have so many more sweet adventures coming up.